Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be explaining Resend and how I actually set up the Resend email configuration with my CloudWalker. So there is also like a breakdown of like how I did it. There's also like the Cloudflare worker code that I actually use, JavaScript Cloudflare worker code that I actually used, so you can actually replicate this. The first thing is actually to create an account with Resend. Once you do that, off the back they give you 3,000 emails per month, which I feel is actually very good um, for for testing. I mean, you need to set up your domain. Like it's very important. You need to set up your domain. Um, I used Namecheap, so I just created a new subdomain and just set this up. And yeah, and you're actually good to go. You can then use any name at recent at your domain or whatever. Now, before I come to the Cloudflare worker, then this is the for the invite member. So this is what actually sends the email. So I'll just go through the body and here. So we have the form, which if I open this, let me stretch this here. You can see, as I said, Rukus at my domain. So this is whoever the company is sending it to. The subject, you can change the subject. Now, this is actually the cool stuff. First of all, token. Now, the way the token is generated, I used a package called Nano. I think Nano should be Nano something. Come on, let me quick check, please. Nano idea. Great package, since I love it. Once the user clicks submit, right, it sets the token. Then I set the token at 36, so it hash. So it sets the token here. And thereafter, once it sets the you can easily like do this. So I need to stretch out this to really show you like the message and everything. The body. Good. HTML. Alright, so we have this here. So it's pure, it has to be HTML. And welcome to Rukus Web. Okay. Space. New line. You have been invited to join. Now this invited to join is actually like the company name, which is this right here. So the company name. Click the buttons below to sign up and get started. This is the URL. Now token. This token equals to, that's where the token will be, which is this. So please ignore this mail. And Resend clearly like sends it. So this is Cloudflare worker. Cloudflare worker is very powerful. In fact, Citrans like grabs its full power. You have this is like, and I'm in the free version. You have 100,000 requests for the workers a day. You know. So this is my Resend email API. You can clearly like create a new worker, and you then click edit code, and we have this code here. Also disclaimer, I use Cloud to actually generate the code, so it was Cloud that wrote the code for me. And if you notice, the code is quite detailed, and that's because I wanted a unified code that could do everything: send emails, send batch emails. I just need to like adjust the endpoints to really get it doing what I want it to do. So this is just one endpoint. The various endpoint and recent API documentation. So this basically does everything I need to do. Yeah. Once you paste this code, which I've provided in Notion, what you need to do is then to create a new environment variable with this recent API key, with this key. If I click here to search, you can set authorization. So this particular thing is meant to be in Nordcraft. but now I want my API key secured. So I can come here back to create the environment variable. You need to go to your settings, so I can. Okay, now. So we have the setting, and then you can just click add, give it a name, make sure it's secret, and give it the value. And thereafter, you basically and then just copy your. Trying to look for the. Okay, let's go to code again. You can then just copy this and paste, and then your API call is proxied properly.